What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. We got Jay, we got Charlie, and today we're gonna be fixing up the basement. So we're gonna be What the hell was that? I think my phone dropped.
You're not gonna be able to get it.
We're gonna be going to Home Depot, but first we're waiting for my boy Johnny. He does all this tile work, and we're gonna be fixing up the basement, painting the basement, decorating the basement, and putting new flooring.
Finding a hotel room for Myrtle Beach.
Well, that's what you're gonna be doing. But we're gonna be waiting for Johnny de la Cruz, which he just hit us up saying that he's on his way. So hurry up, Johnny. We're gonna show him what we want in the bathroom, what he can do. Chilling in the living room for now, waiting for that doorbell to ring. What the hell is wrong?
Looking at the baby clothes, look at this.
He's really dumb, bro. Look at him.
It's cute.
Why is he so dumb? He's trying to.
If you guys haven't seen,
This one is so cute. This one is so cute.
He likes it.
oh, it is cute.
He
Very
likes
cute.
it.
Well, if you guys haven't
Hey,
seen the video on our general reveal, go check it out. A lot of people have been telling me they like it, so if you like it, please comment down below as well too. But yeah, it's a lazy Sunday.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's a productive Sunday.
Not right now though.
You want to play fetch, don't you? You want it? You want it?
You love me. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Bro, I got a round face, man.
It's the pregnancy.
Feet.
How do I cheese? That sounds so good right now.
That was.
Yeah. See all this. See, Charlie. What did she say when we were driving by? I'm hungry, and then she like, you guys just ate like 2 to 3 hours ago.
Exactly.
And now she's over here. I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm feeding 2.
But, boy,
But I only up the amount for 1.
I'm feeding one big one, okay?
Boy, from where?
I weigh 5-10 pounds more than you.
Sorry, no.
Johnny just showed up right now. He doesn't know that we're vlogging, but he'll be surprised. We're gonna go get him right now. There he is, Mr. Johnny de la Cruz.
What's up, man? How are you, David?
Hey.
Long time no see, bro.
I know, man.
Hey,
Johnny,
Jasmine.
nice to meet you. Congrats,
So,
you guys. It's
You
a
can-
blessing.
Yes, it is. So you don't mind we vlog you right throughout this, because
Nah,
we're gonna
I
be
don't mind.
recording you. You're gonna be in one of our YouTube channels.
Sounds good, man.
Okay, fixing the basement part 1, part 2, and blah blah blah.
Alright. Do you live in here, David?
Yeah. This is
How you
my
doing, man?
cuñado.
Alright, nice to meet you.
We follow you, ladies first. Johnny Shy. Alright, so this is El Baño, and I don't know if you know anybody that can do any like drywall and framing, because we're trying to make this also bigger. We're trying.
a little bit of space in the back.
Yeah, all that's like empty. They're like nothing. Yeah.
It's heavy.
I don't know. Are you gonna plan to change this flooring too to match to this flooring?
The shower, my dad. I know.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
The shower, one of my dad's friends did it, and he honestly didn't do a good job on it.
As you can see.
Or was the same person that did the tile on this side. So that guy actually did a good job on
Yeah,
the
the floor
flooring.
looks pretty good.
It's just the shower.
Yeah, I mean, like, I was telling David, like, usually, you know, what we do, we can switch this to a shower, so you can have, like, a shower floor with tile.
Yeah,
and
that's
a curb
what-
right here.
That's what we want.
Yeah,
Like
so-
a curve.
With a door, like a sliding door.
Yeah. Yeah, but I
It's not
mean, like, I don't know if you guys want to switch the floor, we can switch the floor, but, I mean, it looks pretty good to me.
We were trying to go like a white marble.
with
tile.
the gray.
Yeah, like what size?
They're about the same size as
yeah.
that one.
Like 12, 24?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know a place in Floor and Decor. Maybe we can go look around there, and then you know you could see. I mean, this pretty comfortable with prices and stuff. Told him a long time ago. Whenever he needed something, just let me know.
You know all of us actually.
Really?
From Crystal, Palma.
Yeah.
Maria,
Oh, you guys are
My mom will probably recognize you.
Oh yeah, I was in her quince. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where are you from? You guys from Guatemala? Ah, somos paisanos.
Do you remember Maria?
Yeah, I remember Maria.
Yeah, she's my sister. I'm Jasmine,
really?
little Jasmine.
Oh, wow, you guys grew up. Yeah, it's been a long time.
I'm gonna do the shower with the bump up curve and do the also the flooring and maybe match this
The
floor,
floor.
and we want to do the baby's room as well too. So we want to rip all this carpet out and inside this closet too, and all this we wanted to put a floor.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Gusto verte.
¿Cómo está?
Tiempo
Ya tengo
no
tiempo, sí, ya como
¿Cómo has cambiado?
10 años. Sí,
Has
ya
a little nappy.
tengo dos niños ya.
¿Oh, sí?
Sí, tengo una niña de 4 años y mi hijo de 2 años.
Wow. Felicidades.
Sí.
We were actually gonna go to home
Like the material.
because we were gonna ask you how much square footage you think we should buy, because we were actually gonna go to Home Depot and start
then
looking at
find
it.
out
But
where
if you
it's
say that the flooring,
Floor and decor is when we
Yeah, like Home Depot. Home Depot is sometimes more expensive and their tile sometimes not that durable. Like floor and decor, I would recommend floor and
I think
decor.
we're trying to actually start buying these things little by little.
tape measuring.
Well, yeah, I didn't bring anything. So.
We knew what you were gonna come for, man.
But I thought we were just gonna get ideas, you know.
Now we're headed out to Home Depot with the fam. You want to drive? We all gentlemen have to treat our ladies. Okay.
Okay, but I have Andreas.
Okay. Door. Babe, open the door. We're taking the boss today.
Hey, who
Yeah.
who grabbed the floor?
Oh, we need the serial number for the floor.
Do we need it? It's a comment, no?
Ahí está en el garage. Una caja de piso.
Are you excited that we actually really started working on the basement?
Yes.
Very excited or just excited?
Very excited.
Me too.
Not excited.
You're ugly. Vámonos! Let's go, baby. Let's go pick out our floor.
Mira las piernas van del leche. Okay.
Baby, you got some white legs. You need some tanning.
¿Qué me están haciendo bullying? Baby, you forgot to put your belt in this hole.
Sí, cuando mi
Oh.
papá vio la sangre.
Where?
Right here, your belt.
What the heck? For the bathroom?
Even this one is nice, so I can look at myself while I shower.
Mira, amor.
That's nice.
That's the one that we want.
Yeah. This one.
Este es.
What?
We want to see the model.
Okay. Let's go check it out, the models.
It's nice.
This is nice for the kitchen, actually.
Yeah, that's when we fixed the backyard.
Él dice que sabe hacer poco de eso.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, look, this is where we can do something like this, babe, like in that cavity space. Hey, you can do this. That's nice. Yeah, the shot.
Ya tenía que poner un desnivel para
No,
que el agua
Johnny.
corra para allá.
Yeah, but Johnny, what he can do is put cement and make it like a wall a little bit. We're actually gonna be looking for the tile that we're gonna be putting in the baby's room and in the closet.
This is it.
So we have a sample that we found in the house. So hopefully we match it. And now we're gonna have to keep searching for it. Apparently, the flooring that we had at the house, we thought it was here at the flooring place, but it's not. So they think they bought it at Costco. So we're gonna go to Costco and ask them. Hopefully they still have it, and hopefully it's where they got it. If not, yes. So off we go to Costco. You see that right there? We're going to build Camila one of those with our bare hands. Yes, from scratch.
Nah, you could do that. You got
No. Everyone's gonna help
you're
out.
You're gonna use your own wood.
Own wood, own nails.
Nah, you're fine.
No, we're gonna do it with our bare hands, and it's gonna be like a Barbie playhouse slash playground. So it's gonna be a dream playground for Watch. And Watch, you're even gonna enjoy it too. You're gonna be chilling in there. Watch.
Oh, you're gonna make it like our size.
Yeah, it's like fun size. Like
You're
we
gonna
can
make
even,
your whole backyard into a playground.
well, yes, whatever makes her happy. We came to Costco because we thought that the tile that we had at home, they sell it here, but apparently they don't sell tile, and that's what I thought. But since we're here already, we did some grocery shopping and some house accessories. So after this, we're going to Home Depot. Camila's big.
She's always down here.
Watch. She's gonna be exaggerating. She's gonna be walking. She's gonna be like.
Yeah, but we're going to Home Depot. After this, we can get the paint, primer, shelves. What else? Tile. We're here at Home Depot to get the shelves for clothing, drywall, and to see if one of the floorings fit. And don't judge my hair, okay, guys? I'm having a bad hair day today. Okay?
No.
Does it look good now?
No.
Watch. If Jasmine were to say, if you were to say Jasmine looked bad,
I'm pregnant.
Oh my God. What the hell is wrong with my hair today? It is sloppy. Where are you guys going?
Defense, would it be like an add-on to that, or how does the skunk defense work?
No, there's, I mean, it's just similar, but it's just the type of brand it is.
And it's similar to eggshell?
What's that?
You said it's similar to eggshell or not?
Well, it's not similar to it in the sense that it'll be more the flat look than the shiny look.
You want the shiny look or the flat look?
Because what we've always had is, yeah, let's just go ahead and do the eggshell. Let's hit him with that. Or
Yeah.
2 more.
No, could you get
Ahí ya
it?
tengo
1,
uno.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10. And we need 12.
oh, fuck, mira.
Porque vamos a poner 4
On that
one
big
wall,
wall.
and then 2 on the other wall.
The little small wall?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So
And
that's 6 and 6
so
in
what are you gonna
combination.
put there, like cubbies, like that, or small shelves? Or you could do it like that.
Just, I don't know yet.
What are we doing right now, David?
We are paying, and the amount that came out was 600 and something. And that's only just the beginning, guys.
Just this and that card over there.
It's just basically the accessories for the closet, the paint. All right, guys, we are done for the day. We got Jay over there cooking for lunch tomorrow, and I'm here starting to edit. And we got Charlie doing push-ups.
Ready to punch, bro.
Who do you think is gonna win? It's a fake fight. They're just doing it to have fun. But yeah, thank you guys for joining us today in our first part of fixing up the basement downstairs. I'm going to go ahead and start editing, and I'll see you guys for part 2. So don't forget to subscribe to Family Firme, and remember, guys, much love. Firme out.